Right, I'm starting the grouting process for my tile job here. I pulled all the spacers out, no loose tiles. And then I screwed that back in just as a placeholder. Spray paint the new one. And what I got here is some black unsanded grout, a sponge, and then a grout for grouting too here. And so grout sponge. Or grout troll, I don't know what you call that thing, but anyway, I'm gonna go mix this up in a bucket and then kind of make it like pancake batter, and then apply it with this. And once it's in the cracks, I get this with some warm clean water. I'll dump that out, get clean water, and then go over the tiles that way. All right, I got my grout mix bucket. I got an old whisk I'm gonna use. Add some water to it. Alright, I don't mind doing this by hand, it doesn't take long, but one thing I always do is I always think of it like pancake batter. Like, you don't like chunks in your pancake batter. Most of us don't, so don't leave any chunks in your grout here. Make it nice and smooth. It can get real chunky, so. I added just a little bit more just to thicken it up a little bit. Should be good about right there. Also, the amount that I added there is less than half that bag. So I try to always leave myself extra of that. I would never just dump the whole bag in there. That way, it's not hardening either, but also you get your mix a little bit off, you might have to add more grout, a little bit more water till you get your mix just right. So always leave yourself some extra. Good to go now. There you go. A little bit on there. Push it into the cracks. You'll know real quick if you need to get it thicker or not. A little bit at a time. Get it pushed in those cracks there. The camera work sucks. Try not to hit the wall if I can help it. I'm going to shiplap behind that anyway. take the corner and smash it down into there. The idea is to get it on here and then get the big stuff wiped off the face of the tile before it dries. Might have to just do one little section at a time. Get it all 100% in there. I'm just getting the sponge ready to go. Start sponging it off of there, off the face of the tile. So we're not too worried about what's going on up top because that's all going to get shiplapped eventually. And then so we're just going through here with our some rags and getting the excess off. This is basically done over here. We're going to let it dry. Just kind of going over. This takes a long time. Just wiping it. And then we're changing out our water every 2 minutes, seems like. Just getting clean water, clean warm water, and wiping it down. All right, here is the final product. Again, that's going to get replaced. Put new fixtures on there. That'll be another video. So if you would, watch that one too. Watch and like and subscribe, all that stuff. So this was a lot of work. This is a lot of grout lines. Many hours into this. I'm able to pick out my own flaws pretty easy here, but didn't turn out half bad, but I can see some inconsistencies, some things I would do a little bit different. But it's tough because the, it's not perfect. The house rooms aren't perfectly square. They're not framed in, so the tiles can be a challenge. But this was a fun project. And got it grouted. Tomorrow I'm gonna put grout sealer on it. Once we spray it down with grout sealer, let it dry, it'll be ready to roll. Well, and put some new fixtures on there. All right, hey, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you learned something. Thank you for watching.